Weatherization of existing homes in today's economy is extremely important. In fact, Portland is on the map with their clean energy works, and your stimulus money is at work right here.
So where are we?
We are at an existing home, probably built in the 30s or 40s, Andrew, and they're going to weatherize our home, tighten it up, and lower those utility bills.
Tell me what you're doing here.
We're removing the siding. Then after we drill a 2-inch cavity, 2-inch hole, we're going to stick a tube and insulate these walls.
And what are you using to insulate them?
We're using cellulose insulation.
Okay. Any chance that I can actually have a go at this with you? No, being that I'm strong and fit and able.
Yeah. Speaking of holes,
oh,
there's a drill.
Oh, one you had prepared 2 minutes earlier. Right. Holy crap.
And there we go. We got a.
There you go. Nice little hole.
This is a rigid foam board.
We'll just put this monster down. This stuff is incredibly light, given the size of it.
Incredibly light, but it does a heck of a job.
Does a hell of a job.
Yeah.
So the days where people would come in and insulate with those big power things across the ceiling and spray your house basically with horribly toxic chemicals, it's all over now. Don't need it.
Now, the first specific thing that we have to do before we weatherize a home is test it, and that's done through a blower door test. We're going to see what it takes to put a blower door test together right now and find out how much this home leaks. Ted, let's go to work here. Explain to us briefly what we're doing here with the blower door test.
Well, we're just going to put a fan in the front door and suck the air out of the house to create a low pressure situation in the house.
Let's go for it.
Okay.
All right.
Glad to have your help. You can see this is starting to bow in here. That shows that it's lower pressure inside. This is showing how much airflow there is.
Right.
And at 4,000 for this volume, that's about 20 air changes per hour.
20 air changes per hour, folks. That's how much this house leaks. Now, the average home in the Northwest, I understand, is about 15. So this home, at 20 air changes per hour, has high energy bills. Ted's job and Sergio's job is to tighten it up. And Andrew's helping.
So there's a pile of this stuff here, and now you're, what, cutting it, measuring it, and fitting it?
Yes.
You've got two layers of this. One is what's being cut now, which fits in between these joists.
Yes.
But over the top of all of that is another layer. Good idea for those of you getting a tax refund and wondering what on earth you're going to do with it. No holidays to the Bahamas, no presents for the children. How about insulating the attic?